Hi, I'm Keith Kyle, realtor with Vista Sothebys International Realty and Fusion South Bay Specialist. Today I wanted to take you out on a tour of a 3-bedroom, 2-bath G unit. So here is the entry to a G unit. The G floor plan is one of the only 2 3-bedroom floor plans in Fusion South Bay. It's the G unit and the J. One of the main differences between the G unit and the J floor plan is that the G has a split level living room kitchen, whereas the J is all on one level. So as you enter through the front door, you come to the living room area. Most people will have it set up the same way, where the TV is over on the left side and it's a pretty sizable wall, so you can fit a nice sized TV there. The G layout has 2 separate balconies, both fairly good size. So here is the balcony off of the living room. And then you have stairs down to the garage. So now we go up to just a few steps, just 4 steps, up to the kitchen and dining area. The G unit has a very nice size and open kitchen. And although it is split level, it does have a very nice open layout. And due to the split level, the living room has very high ceilings, great windows, and lots of light. And as mentioned earlier, there's a separate balcony off of the dining area. And you can see the air conditioner as well. All of the units in Fusion South Bay do have air conditioning. Has a nice sized dining area. And all the finishes will always be somewhat different. The layout's generally the same. Nice big square-shaped island. This unit has granite countertops and stainless appliances, but they don't all have that. The G unit has a nice amount of storage space in the kitchen. So as you come to the back, you come to the hallway, and all 3 bedrooms are on the same level. Off to the right, you have a full bath. This is the bathroom for guests. The other 2 bedrooms. Bedrooms in the G unit are fairly good size, fairly bright. They have a nice sized closet. As we go further up the hall, again you have the kitchen and dining area to your left. You have side-by-side laundry area. Obviously very convenient. It's not in the garage, it's right on the same level as the bedrooms. And that's the heater on the left, closet on the left. And then you have bedroom number 2. Also fairly nice size. Good sized closet and very bright. Additional storage area over on the left. And then you come to the master. Master is also usually very bright. It does depend on where you are in the community. So you have the master bedroom with a sizable walk-in closet and your bathroom. Again, the finishes and features might be slightly different, but the layout is the same. And you have a stand-up shower along with a separate tub, dual vanities, and a water closet. And you have a stand-up shower along with a separate tub, dual vanities, and a water closet. As we come back down towards the living room, then we'll head down to the garage. It's an attached garage, 2-car tandem parking. It's one of the few that has tandem parking. So it's a decent size, certainly fits 2 cars fairly easily. And a unique feature of the G unit is a sizable storage area underneath the rest of the home. Water heaters down here, and again you get to see the 2-car tandem garage. So that was a tour of the G floor plan, and I hope that it was helpful. If we could be of any assistance, please visit our website at fusionhomesforsale.com or contact us at 310-251-2344. Thanks so much.